I put another hex bug motor in it too. So now it goes like the hex bug. And it goes in circles still. So it probably won't be able to turn around anymore. Of course, that other side still doesn't work. I don't know why. Let's see if it can turn around. Not fast enough. Oh, it's stuck in the sleep. This was from my broken blue hex bug, this other motor. And it's slower because it was burning out the motor. That's why. It's raining dead. I wonder how fast it goes when it's charged. Probably just the same. But I'll probably get places now. I think it goes in big circles instead of small ones. See, now it got way over there already. Oh, and it got stuck. Uh-oh. Oh, look at how I'm dead. Dolman. Look at him. Oh. There's our Skittles. Hi. We'll see. I'm saving that good motor, definitely. I just needed it to work. I'm gonna put this. I think I'm gonna put the red shell on here. So, yep.